Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you're a content creator or even just a hobbyist, you know how important a good tripod and equipment can be. This JOBY GorillaPod Mobile Vlogging Kit has so many awesome features. If you're interested in this, it's probably because of these really cool legs or arms, however you want to look at it. They are super bendable and are easy to attach to anything. So it makes anything your tripod. I've used it on the frame of my car or chairs. I love that it's really stable. So once you have your phone tightened down, it's really going to hold it well. And that's the problem that I've had with other tripods in the past, is that the mechanisms get really loose on me. I can tell this is a high quality product, and I know it's going to last me for a really long time. I love really customizable things, and this is for sure the most customizable tripod that I've ever used. So it can be configured or reconfigured however you like, or whatever your needs are for that current shoot. I love it. I think it's an awesome product that's going to last me for a really long time. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.